Hello, this is Sebastian from SocialAnxietySolutions.com and welcome to Testimonials Tuesday. Today I'm reading to you a very brief but powerful comment that was made under the coaching replay series called Overcome Your Fear of Negative Judgment. And I'll first read the quote and then I'll tell you a little bit about what it is. All right, here we go. The comment is by G, and he or she writes, "This was indeed very powerful. I released my emotional attachments to I will never overcome my social anxiety. I replaced it with my fear of public speaking. It had an enormous impact. Thank you very much for this beautiful session." Now, this beautiful session and the enormous impact that G experienced as a result of following along with it is actually the first of 5 or 6 90-minute coaching sessions that I had with a lady called Masa, who had a tremendous fear of negative judgment. It's actually the number one fear that people with social anxiety tend to have, according to my test. And I coached her to overcome that fear of negative judgment completely. She also significantly reduced her social anxiety within those 6 sessions. And you see that transformation happen on screen. And I did that live, and I had people pay money to observe those live sessions, to be there and get access to the replays. And I later found that a lot of people were getting tremendous benefits just by watching and tapping along, which is the result of something called borrowing benefits, a well-known phenomenon in EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques land. And that sounds hard to believe, right? You're just watching something and you're tapping along, you're following along, you're actually getting relief. Well, it's powerfully so, and that's why I do these Testimonial Tuesdays every week. So, you hear from other people. But gets even better. Today, you actually have the opportunity to get that first video, the one that G's referring to, that he had, that he referred to as a beautiful session that was very powerful for him or her. You can get that for free. So you can watch that replay, tap along with it, and notice what happens if you indeed start reducing your social anxiety just by watching someone else being coached. And you're going to get relief by watching this. Even if your issues aren't exactly the same, it often isn't exactly the same, and yet still something powerfully happens. So go check it out. It's really gonna rock your world. It's nothing like you've ever seen anywhere in the world. So go check it out. Go to bit.ly/FOJ bonus. That is bit.ly/FOJ bonus. All right, enjoy. Leave me a comment there once you've seen it, and you're gonna love this. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.